Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amy, or Amy Louise. I'm a professionally trained makeup artist of I think almost 14 years now. Today I'm going to show you how to do this beautiful smoky slightly grungy eye with the Be Perfect Carnival The Antidote palette. This is a beautiful palette, great for every day, and honestly I just wanted to play with makeup. And I did this. I wasn't really planning on filming, but my patrons said they wanted to see it, so here we are. If you would like to become one of my patrons, or as I like to call them, my coffee beans, there will be a link down below for my Patreon. It's like £1, £3 or £5 a month. You can cancel whenever you want if you want, but we're a cute little family over there. So let's jump on in and create this really quick easy look, and it kind of makes me feel like a teenager again. Honestly, this is the kind of makeup I did a lot when I was that little scene emo kid. I love this kind of makeup. So let's jump in and have some fun. Okay, so I'm starting off with a Jessup 231 Luxe Petite crease brush and the shade Pecan. How do you say it? Pecan? I don't know. Everyone's is different. Anyway, so with this, I'm going to stamp it on the outer corner and through my crease. This look is super quick, super easy, and beautiful. So I'm just going to stamp this through the crease. And then once it's on, I'm just going to make the outer edge just a bit bigger, so you can see when I look forward, you can still see it. I just want it a little bit more on the outer edge, not crazy, just a little bit further. I still want it quite low down on the inner corner. And then whatever is on the brush, I'm just going to run that below the eye. As always, I have left the front of my eye completely blank. I prefer to blend into the inner corner and let it just be soft and muted and not just like really thick and heavy with makeup on the inner corner. Next, I'm going in with a Beauty Bay BB204 brush and the shade Chestnut. With this, all I'm doing is I'm going 50% on the previous shade, 50% off, and I'm just going to blend out that previous shade, same shape, just blending out the edges. And again, I'm going to bring that below the eye too. And because I made this outer edge that a little bit wider and taller than the outside of my eye, the full shape is going to follow that, and you can see over here it just brings out that little bit more without just sticking right to the eye. Next, I am taking a Sigma E35 and the shade Lotte Latte, which, I mean, it's coffee based, so I'm happy. And we're just going to do the same thing, so about 75% on the previous shade this time, and only 25% on Fresh Skin. And we're just going in little circular motions around the edge of this shadow. And you can see each time I put a colour on, I'm bringing it underneath as well. I'm now taking a fresh Sigma E35 and the shade Stone, and about 50% on, 50% off the previous shade. Just gonna buff out the corners yet again. And then keeping this brush, I am going in with the shade Dusk. Again, 50% off, 50% off the previous shade. Just gonna blend that out. And now with a completely bare brush, there is nothing on it, I'm just going to take this around the edges just to make sure that it is really smooth, hazy and blended into the skin. Just little circular motions. Just like that. Okay, so next I'm going to go back to the very beginning. Same brush, same shadows, in the exact same way, same placement. Everything is exactly the same, it's just on top of what we have just done. This is going to re-intensify the colours, it is going to make your blend seamless, and it's going to give all your shadows just a richment in pigment. It's just going to really elevate your look. So I'm going to go do that now. Okay, so I am back. All those colours are re-added, re-intensified, re-blended, and just looking smoky and hazy and gorgeous. So next I'm going in with my P. Louise blank canvas and a little angled brush. I do not know what this one is, but it's just a little angled brush. Oh wait, it's a Jessup 312 detail liner brush. And this is going on my waterline. Just like that. It's not super noticeable, but it opens up your eye and makes it look more bright and vibrant, and it stops your eye being closed off as much. And then next I'm going in with a flat brush. This one is a Morphe M224 brush, and I'm going in with the shade Glisten. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to tap this over the lid. Just over the mobile lid itself, just tapping it on. And then I'm going to flip the brush so that there's nothing on the brush, just to tap on over a little bit more, because I don't want it to be too in your face. I want the shadow to be there, but I don't want it to be like a foil or anything like that. I just want it quite soft, noticeable but soft. Next is mascara. Today I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Lash Renegade. I do not rate this, but I'm trying to save my Lash Freak because it's starting to run out and I have COVID, so I don't really want to order online, so I'm trying to save it for when I don't have COVID, because I feel like that is one of the best mascaras out there and I do not want to waste it on being sat at home. Okay, lashes mascaraed, top and bottom, and then I'm going in with some lashes. These ones are by Sample Beauty and they are in the style Lash Out, and these are handmade vegan silk lashes. Biscuit break because honestly I haven't eaten since yesterday morning. Yeah. Okay, so time to do my base. So I'm going to do that real quick. I'm not doing anything special, I'm just going to do my base and then I will be right back. Like I said, it's going to be quick and easy. Okay, I am back. So I've just lined my lips with Beauty Bay Vintage. I'm just going in with Beauty Bay Tea lipstick. And then, because my lips are super dry, I do prefer to put something over the top at the minute. So I'm going in with my Vaseline Rosy Lips Vaseline, just a little bit. I have got a lip oil on my lips anyway, but with the lipstick and the lip liner, I like to put a bit of Vaseline over the top. It's going to seal any moisture into my lips. Also, it acts like a little lip gloss. Okay, so I'm just going to take my hair out of these braids because I don't want to wear braids all day, but I have had them in all night. I literally sleep in my hair in braids every night now that I've got my extensions in. And it means I don't really have to do my hair. If I'm being lazy, I'll just leave them in the braids. Maybe put a bandana on. But if I want to look like I've put in effort, I just take my braids out. And honestly, it looks like I've put in effort and I really have not. I'm being lazy with, well, everything honestly. Until yesterday, I didn't wear makeup for like 2 weeks because my little boy had it before I did. My head does not need washing, but it's been a couple of days since I washed it, so I'm just popping in a little bit of dry shampoo. Also, it works great as like a texturizer and a root lift. Oh, that feels nice. Okay, so this is the final look. Let me know what you think down below. I really like this look. I feel like it's not too extra as well for once. But yeah, let me know what you think down below. Are you gonna try this? Is this your kind of makeup? Do you want to see more videos like this? Let me know down below because I do read them. It takes me a while to respond to my comments, I'm gonna be honest, but I do read them and I do get back to them eventually. I'm just extremely lazy at this point, and I just dropped the other half of my biscuit, little bell beater. Anyway, so that is everything. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.